Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I will be making necklace with my sister. Hi. So I thought it would be fun to make a necklace and make some other stuff in this kit I bought from Amazon right here. The other stuff we can make from this kit. Before we start the video, please like and subscribe my channel. So now let's start unboxing the kit. The box is so pretty and colorful with so many different types of beads. It has different types of colors and shapes like the stars, heart, alphabets and so many more. It also has the thread and the pins for making the jewelry. Cut the thread as per the length required for the jewelry that you are making. Now let's get started. I must say this needs a lot of concentration. Even my sister Alina is trying her best to get this right. Now she is not able to decide which design to choose. While I'm also trying my best to get this right. Now, Alisa decides to help me instead, which is kind of helpful. Well, maybe. Finally, I think I'm able to make something out of this. This already looks so pretty. I can't wait to see what else I can make from these pretty beads. Finally, I have finished all my designs and now let's see them. This is my favorite design because it has my name on it. These are also so pretty. Now I will try them on and see how they look on me. I think they look so pretty. What do you think about them? My sister Alisa also tried them. Hi guys, it's me Alina. So I wear this necklace and with the doll, this doll too. It looks cute on her too. We still have so many beads left. We'll try to make more designs from them. I think Aliza has some other plans about how she wants to use it. It's raining beads for Aliza. I love what I made today, and I think I can give these to some of my friends and they will like it, I'm sure. That's all for today. We will see you in the next video. Bye!